Jennifer Doudna sits by her childhood bedroom window in Hawaii, the paperback, the double helix, resting on her bedspread. It's a rainy Saturday and she flips the pages, uncovering a fierce scientific battle that feels more like a spy thriller. But here's the twist. This story isn't just history. It's a prelude to her own revolution in gene editing, one that could rewrite the very code of life itself. Jennifer's path wasn't a straight shot. Facing gender bias and the mystery of life's blueprint, she dove deep into RNA's secrets and stumbled on a tool that would change everything. At 12, Jennifer's world changed with that dog-eared copy of the double helix. Instead of a detective story, she found fierce competition, flawed heroes, and a race to decode humanity's blueprint. Despite a skeptical high school counselor who said girls didn't become scientists, Jennifer decided the greatest puzzles of nature would be hers to solve. CRISPR is like a pair of molecular scissors, expertly crafted by bacteria to cut invading viral DNA with laser precision. Imagine a GPS-guided toolkit that can zero in on a specific sentence in a billion-letter book, then snip and replace it accurately. That's what CRISPR lets scientists do with genes. Unlocking CRISPR wasn't just academia's triumph. It ignited a biotech wildfire. Suddenly, editing DNA became cheaper, faster, and accessible worldwide. Diseases once untouchable by medicine are now within reach, and designer babies edge out of sci-fi into the lab. Jennifer's discovery reshaped what's possible in human health and ethics. The lab bench turns into a battlefield. Rival scientists race to claim CRISPR's promise, sparking legal fights, ethical storms, and a global sprint to rewrite life's code. Jennifer Doudna and Feng Zhang, two pioneers, found themselves at the heart of a bitter patent conflict. Zhang's team at the Broad Institute raced to apply CRISPR in human cells, while Doudna's Berkeley lab focused on foundational RNA principles. The courtroom drama went beyond patents. It was a clash of egos, countries, and visions for the future. Patents felt like the prize in an Olympic sprint, but in biotech, they're more like gold bars controlling future treatments. Corporations and governments jockeyed to secure CRISPR's rights, raising questions. Who should own a gene-editing tool that could cure cancer or edit embryos? The power to alter life's script slipped into political and legal wrangling. Surprisingly, this competition accelerated discovery. Heated debates forced transparency and public engagement, making biotech less of a secretive elite club. Open science and shared databases popped up, democratizing access to CRISPR technology, sparking innovation from unexpected places worldwide. With CRISPR deployed, society stands at a crossroads. The promise: eradicating disease, enhancing crops, even choosing baby traits. The peril: ethical minefields and unknown risks. Clinical trials using CRISPR-treated cells have already cured genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia, restoring hope to thousands. But the same technology stirred controversy when He Jiankui claimed to have created the first gene-edited babies, igniting global outrage and intense ethical scrutiny. Editing DNA raises profound questions. Where do we draw the line between healing and enhancement? Could changing one gene disrupt ecosystems or cause unintended mutations? It's a genetic Pandora's box where power demands wisdom and policies struggle to keep pace with science. Looking ahead, CRISPR could transform agriculture, making crops drought-resistant and nutritious, and eventually allow parents to tailor human traits: intelligence, disease resistance, even appearance. Jennifer's story shows us not just how to read life's code, but how we might write its future, and the weight that choice carries. Remember Jennifer in that rainy Hawaii room, gripping a book about genes and drama. She started with curiosity and ended up redefining life itself. You don't need a Nobel Prize lab, just question boldly. So tonight, try this. Look at a challenge differently, break it down like DNA, and ask yourself, how can I edit my own story for the better? Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.